All right, you guys, check it out. We're back. So here we go with another episode. But look, we haven't done anything. We just want to show you where we're at. We've been leaving everything sitting still, letting all the bubbles come to the surface. And, you know, there is a boatload. Look, I'm going to move the camera. There's a boatload of glitter in this. Look at all that dancing. This is a... gosh, I say this just about every time, but this is another favorite of ours. So check out the edges. Look at that glitter just dancing back there. What do you think about that, Tom?
That looks good.
Yeah.
What's that edge?
Oh yeah, that edge is smooth, brother. So look, it's a good chance to show you, maybe. Yeah, look at this. See the runs? Look at all those runs. See, and they're always going to stay that way. I've already taken that Bondo squeegee. I'm going to do it here in just a second, show you again. I've already ran that, but look. You can see all those runs. There you go. You can see them real good. Now, truth be told, because I've already swiped it, these are, you know, this is what is still flowing and they're causing all these runs. But if you look in what's already ran, you can just see how distorted it kind of is. Let me get down here. Maybe this will be better. The light in here kind of really stinks, you guys. We're so sorry. Yeah, so there you go. You can kind of see, there you go. It just, when you look at that, it's because it's vertical. Then look, when you get out here to the edge, now look at the clear difference. There we go. See, that's a huge difference. But look at that. It just makes me want to jump right in it. But remember, you guys, so this was our focal point right here. That's what everybody's going to walk up to. And, you know, we couldn't do that design to this liking because we love how this corner turned out. It's the first thing you're going to see. We couldn't do that again if we tried. But I did start right here with the vein work. That was the first one I shot. And it really just came together, came to life. This is a beautiful, I'm glad we two-toned that. If you missed it, if you did not see, just go back in our videos. What part was that, Tom?
20, 21?
Yeah, something like 2021. No, it was before, because 19 was the finish. So it was like 17, something like that. Whatever we tell you in there, applying our veins. So if this is your first time tuning in, just know that we got you. We're showing you everything. We're not skipping nothing. We're just trying to save some video time. And, you know, there again, me and Tom got a lot of other things going on other than just these tops. So I'm going to give the camera back to Tom now. And we're going to go ahead and move forward here. So, Tom, just let me know when we're about 2 minutes away. Before I torch, I'm going to go ahead and grab these drips one more time. And if any of y'all hear that, that's me scraping underneath. Just kind of riding everything, trying to keep everything flat. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that one. Yeah, before I actually do the torching, we are still good. We still got plenty of working time left. So before I do that, let's show them right here, brother. Get right on the side and look, I've just been keeping that clean. We don't care about what that looks like. We just want it all like this right here, flat. So I'm just going to take that and continue to do this. Until we can't get any more off. just going to continue to slick this up. The reason we're using a Bondo squeegee, the biggest concern from wiping this like this, what you don't want to do is you don't want to have, here, come back here, let's show them real quick. Right here on this edge. Now I just swiped this, okay? But this is what I'm talking about. As we're going, look, keep your eye focused right up on here. See how it pushes? So if you were to use like a foam brush, if you were to use something like that, what's gonna happen is you're gonna get up on that top. Where this kind of accumulates, it's still, because it's a flat Bondo squeegee, it's going to put a flat line across that top, even though we're pushing into it. So the more this starts to gel, the more it gets closer to not moving no more. This is not going to hurt us like a brush would. A brush would actually get up on and get up here right on the edge of your piece, and you don't want to kind of light that up. You don't want to tell on yourself. And the reason we know that is because we've done it. This is how me and Tom know, you know, there ain't much we haven't seen in 8 years that, you know, anything, we're not really going to see very many new things come to life because of the 8-year lessons. But, you know, we still to this day, we'll still have something that shows itself and we've never seen it before, you know, because every job we go to do, everything is different. It's a different environment. We normally don't pour in people's homes because of temperature, because of everything like that. So we actually had to get with the homeowners and see this little guy right here on the wall. This is a temperature hooked to a Nest kind of machine upstairs, and the homeowner is kind of in charge of it. We needed this down here to be sitting right about 75 degrees. I mean, it's hot in here. But that's why we do all this stuff in our shop, because it's already controlled and it's not an issue. But some people's homes, thank goodness they're upstairs and this is down in the basement, because, you know, some people would not be able to sit here like this in this type of environment with the heat and everything like that.
Hey brother, there's 2 minutes left.
Okay, gotcha. Let me go ahead and get these strips one more time, and we're gonna go ahead and torch while we still have those 2 minutes. Gotta listen to the boss, man, y'all. Tom's over here riding me. 2 minutes, 2 minutes. I got you, brother. 2 minutes. Hey, just so y'all know, man, I know Tom don't talk a whole lot. He talks more than you've ever seen off camera. But man, that is my, that's my rock. You know, he's not just my partner. I love this guy with everything in me, and he's just, he's been a blessing. Our journey has just been, you know, so elaborate, and it makes it so nice to have somebody in your journey, through the highs, through the lows. It's just great. Wouldn't trade him for the world. Here we go, brother. You want to come in behind me maybe so they can see the aftermath?
I got about 45 left.
Okay. Now we're going to have better lights, you guys, once it goes out here to the bar. But look, show them back here where this light is, man. That blue just comes to life. Super sick. Just look at that shine. Beautiful. All right, y'all. We're done with the torch, and we'll bring you back for the next video.